Okay. Hey, sorry, I was talking in the mute team. Okay. Right. Sorry. Let's start it from starting. Okay. See, we will discuss here the Sonar Cloud today. Actually, Sonar Cloud and Sonarqube. Thank you. Sonar Cloud and Sonarqube is like same. Okay. But Sonar Cloud has a more features than not features, same, almost same. Okay. It's twice which company will use the which. Okay. So in this, I'll be teaching the Sonar Cloud. Basically, Sonar Cloud, I used to do the theory first. Okay. Theory means like what is bug, what is vulnerability, what is hotspot, what is something drawback of this. Okay, so these all things we'll discuss it out when my like files will get downloaded. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, so what to do here? Basically, when you are trying to understand here in this, okay, so Sonar Cloud, what we are using, since we are not a developer, we don't know the ABCD of coding also. Okay, so when they are getting the code, when they are giving the code to us, testing will take care. That's fine. Testing is their job. It's not our job. But testing will not test the code. They'll test the past 2 days gone. Testing will test the, come on guys, application, ready-made software, not the code. I told no coding and all, like they will come, like okay, yes, same one. Function app, right? So the code and all, what will get it, right? They'll club each other and they'll give a ready-made software to you. Okay, they'll give the code to you in the format of app service as a code drill. You have to deploy the code. After deploying the code, an application will be there, right? That application will be tested by the QA guys, right? No, but whatever the code, anyway, whenever the developer is giving the code to you or for the testing, they'll do the testing. Okay, they'll check whether whatever they developed, whether that is correct or not, and that type of testing is called as a white box testing. Okay, that type of testing is called as a white box testing, and it is also called as a unit testing. Clear? It is also called as a unit testing. Clear now? White box or unit testing basically. Okay, so that we understand that we will do that unit testing will done by the developer. That's fine. Their responsibility is to do it. Okay, but in case what is DevOps responsibility? DevOps doesn't know anything, right? So that we'll make the use of one particular software, one particular like application, you can say, that is also called as a Sonar Cloud. Okay, it is all over the Sonar Cloud. So we have some terminologies in that: vulnerabilities, bug, code fixes, like hotspot review. Okay, so we'll discuss it a bit later. Okay, right? So let's try to come to the practical directly onto that. Okay, and then we'll have the downloaded notes. We'll try to go with this. Okay, clear? Any idea you got it right? What is like Sonar Cloud and all? Right now, Sonar Cloud is an application that is a third-party application. It's not from Azure, Microsoft. So now we have to take care of the part, buddy, how to download and all. Okay. Right. So we have to take care of that part. 1 minute, guys. Downloading. Still downloading, yes. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try to come to the project directly. Okay, so project 2 parts, buddy. We know that, right? First thing is always this is for analyzing the code. And here it is not a free. It's not free. You have to pay around 10 euro. Okay, you have to pay around 10 euro basically. It's not free at all. Okay, so for that purpose, we'll reach where we have to reach. Okay, till that point we'll reach it, and then I will take it from the help of the Google and we'll try to show you how it will look like. Okay, Now let's come to that. Okay. So we have a two part. Now you have to tell me one thing. Okay. We have a Azure DevOps. Okay, Azure DevOps, and we have Azure portal, or that is also called as a cloud. So you have to tell me one thing there, where I will apply Sonar Cloud. Where online guys, we have 53 4 resources. Okay, at least I should be getting some response from you all. Tell me, where should I apply Azure cloud? Sorry, where should I apply Sonar Cloud? Onto Azure DevOps, or shall I apply on the Azure portal? Why portal? Why DevOps? Okay. Service manage. Okay. The portal is doing the service manage, but they'll manage their own service, not the other service. If you want, even we can get the other service also on the portal, no problem at all. We can take it out. But what is the major role of the Sonar Cloud? What is the main role of Sonar Cloud, guys? Come on. To manage or to check the analyze the code, basically. Okay. Whether it's correct or wrong or whatever it could be. Okay. Where is my code? In my repo or GitHub, whatever. Right. So usually a repo. Okay. Azure guys. So repo, right? So what we'll do, we'll implement Sonar Cloud on top of your repo. No, not repo, basically your Azure DevOps account, not to the portal. Portal, nothing is there, it's a service. Okay. So we'll take the service of others areas. Okay. Not with this all this part, right? Got the point, right? So it will go to your Azure DevOps. Okay, fine. So that means I have to install that. Okay. I have to install it. Very good. Guys, you should know one thing. Okay. Right here. Thank you so much who has responded. Thank you. Okay, online folks. So we will implement it top of your Azure DevOps. So what we'll do, we'll go to our Azure DevOps real quick. This is Azure DevOps, right? Let me come to our home page. And our batch is Azure 9:30 July, right? 9 a.m. July, no? Let's go over there. Right here, I'll apply it. Now, dear, whenever you wanted to get any other application to come to your Azure, okay, you have to go to marketplace, extension and marketplace. Okay, you will not find any. You have to go to setting and you have to find that. Are you able to find it? Anything? Are you able to find anything here? Are you able to get it? Anything? No, you will not get it. Reason behind that is, okay, project doesn't have liberty to get the extensions. The liberty of extension would be go to your organization only. Organization only. Clear enough? Organization only. Very good. So what is my organization? Training Navin 11, right? Let me go there. Now go to the organization setting and see whether do you have extension over there or not. Okay. Check it out. So do we have extension over there? Yes, we have extension over there, right? Click on that extension. Can you see it is already there? Sonar Cloud is already there. No worries. No need to get stress. Okay. I'll come here. I'll try to create another organization for you. Let's see whether this guy is having. I go to just training. No, come here. I want you to come to here. Come back to extension. Okay, good. It doesn't have. So we'll make use of this. Okay. So this is my organization. I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to make the use of my application over there. Okay. Good. So what should I do? I have to download that Sonar Cloud, right? Right? No. So what should I do? I'll go back to my browse marketplace. And if not this, tomorrow you'll learn that Ansible. Tomorrow you'll learn the Terraform. Okay. These all are not provided by the Microsoft. Okay, these all are not provided the Microsoft. Okay, so we have to go ahead and we have to get it from your what do you say? Get it from your marketplace. Okay. So what is there? You have to go back to here. Okay. Now type it is this Sonar. You are getting the Sonarqube, right? Sonarqube and Sonar Cloud is almost same. I'll suggest you go with the Sonar Cloud. So you just type it out, okay, and click on it. Okay, just click on it. Right here. So you have a Sonar Cloud there, Sonar Cloud option there. Okay, both the places. Right now. So what you do, you just go ahead and try to click on the Sonar Cloud over there. Okay, which place? Here. So it's a free. Okay, just try to download it. Get it? Free. What happened? It is downloading. No, it is a different download. That is my download. Okay, this is this one. It came here right now. So your Sonar Cloud will be coming up to your organization. That means wherever you have, let's see, in that organization, I have a 5 projects. So all the 5 projects will be given this Sonar Cloud. Clear, no? All the 5 projects would be given that Sonar Cloud if you're keeping it there. Okay. Now it says that. Do you want to install for this organization? Yes, I want to. So let me go with install. Okay. So it's all set. Okay. Let's try to go with the proceed with the organization. It asks me to create the project. That's it. So you understand how to create, download it and all. It's clear, right? Everyone okay? Now, tell me please. 1 minute. Let's see the account what you are creating it. Okay. Obviously, in the real time, we'll work on the one project only. In case if you're working the 2 different project, that project A, project B will come. Okay. But organization will be only one. Organization will be only one, right? Like let's say you are working for Accenture, it should be Accenture organization. So whatever job application you wanted to download it, right? Whatever application you wanted to download it, those application will be coming to your organization setting only. Okay. So if we'll come to know that I have to use a Sonar Cloud. Okay. In that case, you go to that organization setting, right? And try to click on that and you get it downloaded this Sonar Cloud. So whatever like application, whatever that project you have, maybe you have a 10 projects, maybe we have a 20 projects. So automatically that organization setting will be used for all the projects, not for individual projects. Okay. Mostly these all will be downloaded by the admin team. They'll download it for you. In case if it is not there, you know right how to do it. Okay. Right. Next is generally which organization we are working. One organization. Yes. Chandrasekhar, you'll be working on only one organization. The same thing I was talking right now. Okay, same organization. Clear? Right here? Okay. Now you will come back to my organization because my codes are there, right? So I'll go to there. Now what to do? Here is a drawback of this. What is the drawback? We'll come to know at last, because Sonar Cloud is a paid one. Okay. You will not be getting it option. Will not be getting it option. Don't we have in our cloud and we need a third party tool? Yes, we need a third party tool for analyzing the code, Aniket. Okay. So understand. Uh, Basically what happens is Sonar Cloud, it's if you are a registered paid user, then you can analyze it. Otherwise, you cannot analyze it. I'll tell you. We'll come to know slowly. What is that? Okay. So you can see that. 1 minute here. I'll download like zip file. Okay, I will see better. Okay, so now I have downloaded this part. So now I'll try to go ahead to my project and I implement that. Okay, so what is the next step that we'll do it? Okay, what is the next step that we're gonna do it in this project? Okay, so you go to which project you wanted to do. So after that, you already have downloaded the Sonar Cloud. So you have to go to sonarcloud.io. Okay, go to the website and here you have to log in. Sonar Cloud website you have to log in. Okay, so you'll come to the Sonar Cloud website right here. So let's click in and give it in a login. Okay, click on the login. If you're the first time user, you have to sign up. Okay, first time user, you have sign up. Since I have already logged in with that email ID several times, you have to go with the sign up option. Come down, tell me. To which you wanted to log into Sonar Cloud, what should I use? Azure DevOps, right? So I'll go back. Where is my code? My code is here. If it is code in a GitHub, go with the GitHub. Right? If I code in the Azure DevOps, go with the Azure DevOps. Got the point, right? These are storage provided, no? So go with Azure DevOps. Clear, no? Okay. So I came to here. Now, new project. Obviously, you have a new project, right? Come back here. Let it import it from another organization. Organization name. 1 minute, hold on. I think something went wrong. What is the username? This is the username, right? Okay. Come back to my issues, my explore. 1 minute here, okay? Plus symbol, analyze a new project. Yes. So this is automatically, if you'll pick up your project, it'll good. If not, then you'll go and you'll try to pick up from your manually. So it is reading it, right? We have these many projects. What is our project? 9 AM, no? Right? Can you see this? What is that? You need to subscribe your organization to paid plan to import your private project. Okay. It has to be a private project, but we have many more to go before that. Okay. So go to my project here. Right. And let's create, analyze it. Click on the create here. 1 minute, taking some time to load. So it is not taking my project with manually. Sorry, I'm like, it is saying that it is not able to read. Actually, it has to give the permissions on both the sides. It is not coming up. So let me give that. Okay. So understand here. Stopping it's here itself, buddy. We'll see. Come down. Let's choose your project is not coming up. Okay. So you try to import your project one more time. Okay. Actually, it has to be come to inside all the details, but try stopping now itself. Okay. Go to 9 AM July project. No, we cannot go. Earlier, what is doing it? They used to allow the project to give the setting and all everything. They used to perform it. Okay. But now it is not allowing us to move ahead. Okay. Fine. What is the solution for that then? Okay. Porting the trial version, right? Shall we go with that? You'll see. Come. So upgrade to, what is that? 14 tribe you told, right? So you want me to go to the paid version. Okay. So what happened is first $14, what is that? $10 will deduct from your account and they'll give the 40 day trial period. In the 10, if it is like trial period is over, if you satisfied, Well and good. If not satisfied, they return the money. Then who will take the tension of that? We have a solution. Don't worry. We have a solution for that. What is the solution is, if we have a private project, we will not be able to do it. But we have an option of public project. Got the point? Public project you have option. So there is only way you have to move your project to the public project. Okay, very good. So let me come here and can I go with make it my project as a public project? Where is my here? Okay. So let's go there. Try to import another organization. Okay, I'll create another organization itself for the public one. Okay, let's try to move it. Okay, so what is the organization name? Training Naveen 11, right? I'll just create a public project now. Okay, go back to your public project. So this is my organization name, right? Come here. Okay, give your organization name, right? Copy and paste your name of registered organization. What is a personal token? Okay, guys, how to get a DevOps token? What is, sorry, pardon me. Okay, I should not tell that. Okay, how to get the token? What token it is talking about? I'm in the Sonar cloud, right? I'm in the Sonar cloud, right? Yes, no. So it is asking some token and all. From where I have to get it? DevOps. When it is asking something, the token in your Azure DevOps, you have to come back to your here. Okay. So get the token from your Azure DevOps. Where I can get that token, Ramesh? We'll go back to my DevOps account where I can find the token. We have a user setting somewhere. Okay. See that user setting. Can you see here? Right? Come back to user setting. And where should I go? Personal access tokens, right? Go back there. So usually token would have created, I have created for another batches. Okay, it has come then. Okay, but you cannot copy that. So better to create a new token. Okay. So now validation of the token and all, you know that. We'll go to the full access. Everything I want to give the access. Let's create it. Guys, we have to copy the token here only, because next time we'll not see the token. Like how in Azure Active Directory, you're creating certificate and secrets. You're not able to copy, right? So it is the same story here also. So let's click on this. Okay, copy to the clipboard, close it, go back to your clear. So I go here. Very good. I'm over here now. So it asked me to go and continue it. Okay, let's try to go and continue it. What it says that? It says that doesn't have a okay, this token doesn't have required permission. Obviously it had it. Okay, what happened? I didn't save it. 1 minute, 1 minute. No worries. Let's do that new token. What's still in that? Okay. Hello, Naveen, something I'll give it. Okay. So full access, right? Customize. If it's there, then we have to give it. Oh, that's it. No. Oh, sorry. Apologies. This is the different organization I chosen. No, I have to go with all the accessible organization. Okay. Come back here. Shall I give the full access now? Okay. Give this and I'll try to get this token from there. Okay. Clear? Let's do that. Let's come over here and try to get the token over here. Let me go to the container, the next page. Is already bound to the Sonarqube. It's already there, it seems. Okay. It says that with this already we have bound with one organization public account I have created, it seems. Okay. So no worries. We'll try to go ahead and create a public account, public project for this, because until unless you are not making the public, you are not able to analyze the code. My question is, so how to make the public? How I could be able to make the public project? Where to make? Very good. Let me go to that public here. I'll come to my here. Okay, let me go to the home page of my Azure DevOps. Okay. I'll create a new project for you. Okay. Let's see. Azure 9 a.m. team, July. Okay. I wanted to go with this. So description, this is for Azure 9 a.m. July batch. Sonar cloud. Okay. Let's see. So what happened? So, policies. So you wanted to go and create the policy change. Very good. Come on. Let me do that as well. So shall I enable that? Very good. So I enable it. Very good. Let me come back here. Okay. Let me come back here. I enable it, right? Okay. I've enabled it now. Right now I've enabled it, right? Sorry. Here, right? Enable now. Let me go back and now create it new. So let's see. Azure also now cloud project. Description, you give anything. Shall I go with this public? Very perfect. Create a project. Okay. So my project is here with me. Okay. My project is here with me. Very good. What is the next step then here? Okay. Shall I go to my Sonar Cloud and try out? Let's come here. Go to your home page. Okay. Let's try to refresh it out. Right. Come over there. Okay. So now I'm not able to see my projects over there. It is only one project coming up here. Okay. Now let's go back here and try to analyze new project. Okay. And see whether you have a manual project or not. So can you see my all projects here? Public. Where is my public? Come on, public. Where are you? Okay. Come on here. Okay. Can you see there? Now what need to be done? Search. Okay. Guys, come on. You cannot be able to do it at a public as easy it is. Okay. The reason for that is when you are trying to create any project, the pipeline you'll be creating, right? In the pipeline, you have to create a pipeline, right? At the time of creation, the pipeline, you are getting some error. No hosted parallelism. Do you remember that? Hosted parallelism. You filled one form. What you filled? Name, then private or public you filled? Private. Then how you are expecting that your project will go as a public? Until unless you are not getting the permission from Azure, Azure will not be allowing to make the public project for you. They'll not be able to create any pipeline in that. The point. So you have only one way. Either other way is you have to go with your public project with the pipeline. Shall we go with the pipeline? Pipeline means AKS we tried. No, we created that right. Shall we do that? Okay, something. It is not my current one. So what is the link? I gave you, I think, in the Google Classroom, no? Because I don't have the notes link with me now. Here also it is not there. Anyone have a link? Give me now. Guys, online folks, do anyone have a link? Please give me. Or else I have to check it from here. Yes, thank you. Yeah, we got a link there, okay? Let's try to make the use of this link, okay? Come here, try to click it out. Now you have to give me this. I was looking for this only. Thank you, Aniket and others. Okay, so we came to this link. Okay, so now usually what we are doing it, we are doing the private one. Okay, but we have to go this time public. If you give the public, what are the messages? You be ready for that as well. Okay, come here, come here. Public, it'll no, not a spot. It'll take another 2-3 days of time only. But thing is, many more processes are there for that. Process in the sense, okay, let's see. Today we'll create a public account. It'll get created. Today is a Thursday, right? Friday, Saturday, Monday. Monday will be ready. You can able to analyze the code in the Monday. But thing is, public they'll not give so easily. Okay, that means they will be thinking that you might be doing some business or something and all, right? For that public, they'll not use. They'll use the private only. Let's see. We'll apply it. We'll see. If you're able to get it out, well, good. If not, we'll take a licensed version. Okay, right? I used to get it out like 6:30 p.m. Right? We got no that public that is approved. So let's try to make the use of same for our batch also. So what is my name? Let's make it as a Naveen Training Azure. What is that? Training. No. Azure Training Hyderabad. So what is the email address of the project? DevOps, right? Which account? Which email ID you want? You need your here. You guys also try it today. Okay, give it a try. If you're getting the approval, you can work on it. If not, then we have to go the pay as you go, or you can see my screen. That is enough. Okay, to analyze the project. So come here. Which is created public. Can we change to the public? You can able to change it, everybody. Okay, but you have to wait for the permissions. And if you're moving in the publisher, you cannot deploy any code also. Okay. So let me go back to here. Where is my project? My project is in home page. Let me go back to here. Okay. Cut sakte private. You can come rework and revert back. No, private is nothing. You can immediately come. 1 week for what purpose? You can publicly also you can use it, but only 1 week, not 2-3 working day from the Azure, because you have to get a permission from the Azure. Okay, you have to get a permission from 2-3 business that will take it. Changing that creation of that is not a problem at all, but you have to tell the Microsoft that this is my project, I'm using it. This is not for that what is that business purpose, this is for my personal use. So they will approve, then only hopefully you have seen that, right? When you're trying to create a pipeline, you are getting the error. No, what is the error? No hosted parallelism, something you got it right. So for that purpose, they have to take a permission from public also, you have to take it, private also you have to take. But again, you are coming from private to public, no use. That's why I'm suggesting you don't disturb your current project. Got the point? I'm telling you, don't disturb your current project as of 9 AM because it might take some time, right? So why you are waiting for this? What we'll do, we'll create a new project and we'll give that for your public access, we'll give it. If we'll give the public access, if we'll get it out, we'll work on that, analyze the code and show you. Meanwhile, we'll do that Docker container. Okay, instead of wasting the time, right? Okay. So what was that point, my? We created the project in that just no. Okay, we'll go to the just training only. So I'll not use this project. I'll go to the just training project. Okay, we'll use this project, right? Come here to this project. Okay. So what is your username here? Username for this is, what is the email address? This is the email address for me. Clear? You gave that email address here. Now, what is the name of Azure DevOps organization that you are using for the permission? Just training one, right? The home page, you go copy this link and come back here. Clear? Right? Come here. Come down. So are you requesting parallelism for to increase for the public or private project? This time we go for the public project. As soon as click the public, many more information you have to give it more. Click it here. Can you see here? Come on. It says that, okay, you provide, please provide a list of link to the public repository you plan to build. Like what repository you wanted to build me. Okay. that you give the build repository or which project you want you to give that. Okay, so try to, okay, give one repo, create one repo, and we'll use some simple project so that they'll think that I'm trying to form my own purpose. We'll go with some HTML code or anything. Okay, just for understanding. So let me go back to here. Where to go? Repo. Very good. Let's go to the repo, right? And first initialize it. Repo, and we'll keep our personal projects like something, we'll make it out. Okay, it has been already updated. 1 minute, let's refresh it. Repo, it's already been created. Repo. Okay, so don't go with the Sonar Cloud project and all. Let's do something, give something different name. New repo. Tell me some simple name, buddy. Okay, what we can use? No batch and all. Not use a batch name and something. Okay, personal or just for practice. Okay, we're not doing any batch running and all. Okay, so go with the just for practice and try to create a repo in that. Got the point? Now get the repository, complete repository name from here. Okay, get it out and let's try to see what code they are telling that you want you to go with. Okay, like this format here to go. Either go with this, or this. Three. So what is the format name? dev.azure.com, your organization name, your project name, then /, okay, /, then git my repo. What is my git repo? That you'll want you to know. Okay, so like this, let's commit out. We'll copy and we'll make the use of the same. Okay, I'm not able to copy that, so no worries. Let me go with this repo here. Come back here. Okay, so I think this right. This is right, no? Same, no? He is looking into that. Can you see? It is the same, right? Dev, Azure, my organization, project, and repository name. Can you see the same thing? We are having it right here. Dev, Azure, your organization name, but Sonar Cloud project I gave it here. Fine. For my practice, I'm using it. Okay. If they'll ask any questions, actually what they say, no, when you apply it, right, they're gonna like, if they'll think it any questions, they'll write a mail to you. Okay, and you're this email ID. They have taken the email ID, right? For what purpose you're using it, then they'll approve it. Okay. So let me make the use of this only just for practice. Same format, right? Project name -git / your repo name. You just see that you have your project organization first, then project, then git, then your project name. Okay, so I'll give copy this same, right? Copy this same and come back to this position. Okay, right? Okay, come. Let's see. Now, why this two line is there? For what purpose? For what reason? Why GitHub? Hmm? For what purpose GitHub, man? It may be like, no, it's not everyone will write the code in Azure repo, right? They can write the code in your GitHub also. They can write the code in the Visual Studio also. For that purpose it is. Clear, no? Okay. So let's come here. Let's call right 7th. Okay. Now let's come to and answer the another questions. Okay. What is that? We will grant public project concurrency only to the validated source project. Okay. Otherwise, you will start with a private project only. Provide an explanation of your project and justification of why we need the public project. Many questions, right? Okay. So tell that reason. What should I use? Okay. Huh? This project I have created to just know the feature of Sonar Cloud. Okay. So that I could upgrade myself. Okay. This is some link, write it so that they'll realize Microsoft guys will read it and they understand. Okay, these guys for just practice they're doing. Okay. This is just for the practice purpose. Sorry. Sorry. What did I buy? What did you told? This is just for your practice purpose. Anything else? Right? No? Okay. If you'll make it as a training, no, then go for that license version. Why you're coming here? Okay, pay $10 and €10 and make it the use of it. Okay. Sorry, brother. Okay. This project I have created to just know, this project I have created to just know the, what happened? This project I have created just to know the features of Sonar Cloud so that I could upgrade myself. Means I wanted to know that cloud. Okay. This is just for practice purpose. Okay. Submit it. Let they come back. Okay. They'll sharply given the 2 because Azure 630 I got in 2 days of time. Okay. So I'll get a 2 days of time. Then I'll try to analyze the code in that. Okay. But meanwhile, don't shit it out. Okay. Let's try to understand what is the term we are using it over there. Okay. So let's go with the theory part now. Okay. Give me time. Let me come back to portal real quick. Access. Which one? Which access? Yes. Wo code actually I just taken that access, right? So we have taken the access and then after that code we have removed it. Why? Because it's a public use, right? If you use make the users of that project always, what will they'll you already have given that access to the repo to them. Whenever they'll see that and they'll come and to close your like entire Microsoft project itself. So whatever the pay-as-you-go subscription you are using, or they'll stop everything. So whenever you that option, you can see I have that. Okay, but I don't have any code over there to analyze. Can you see here? How it will look, that will come to know here. Okay. Sonar Cloud, right? So can you see study project? Okay. So nothing is there in the project. This is a public, we have made it out. Okay. And that actually suggestible for you also what you will do when you're creating the project, right? Anyway, Monday we'll see that. When you're creating the project for that, add a repo into that. Any HTML repo we add it. Okay. Analyze it and delete that repo. so that they will not be deleting your account in that. Okay, they should not be knowing that you are doing for the training purpose. Personal purpose, use it, or go with the 10 euro if you have money. Ibrahim, I'm high, right? Can you see somewhere it is Azure DevOps or something is there? It's a Docker, right? Before that, Sonar Cloud. Oh, it is not here. SQL. Okay. So I'm giving the steps also to you now. Okay. We'll validate with the step in that Monday session. Okay. Now let me make a note over here. So understand that. Okay. These all the steps are there to analyze. Okay. What is the steps? I'll just tell you out. Sonarqube download, try to configure that. Then you have to go to dev.azure.com service connection. We have to create one. Why service connection? Okay. Anyway, we'll do the practical, no worries, okay, in this part, okay. Steps to do that, now cloud integration, Azure DevOps. What is that? Very good. Second step is to try to configure that we already have requested today, right? Personal access and all, we have done it. Third part is dev.azure.com. You have to create a Sonar Cloud. Why? Service connection. Why service connection? Analyze the build pipeline. It is here. We'll not do any build pipeline. Nothing. Right. See, Sonar service connection is just not service connection is not just created to connect your portal and DevOps. Not only for that purpose. Service connection is not only for that purpose. Service connection is to create for DevOps to something else. Last time we did for the portal. This time we'll do the connection between the Sonar Cloud. Got the point? Okay. We'll do this for the Sonar Cloud. Right? So we will try to do that Sonar Cloud. Okay. The steps I already mentioned. You wanted to try out. But until unless no access, there is no point of doing it. Okay. Then after that, my account security, these all the things are there. You go to your paid version, analyze paid versions. Paid versions, either go with the paid version or we'll get approval from them public project. If we get approval from the public project, we'll go and analyze it. Okay, right here. So let's try to do the theory. I told no theory will be doing it because these questions with theory would be definitely asked in your interview points. In that in our Sonar Cloud, okay, we have some terminology that you have to understand. Sonar Cloud, bug, vulnerability, code fixes, code smell, hotspot review. It's not a hotspot, it's a hotspot review actually. Okay. So four nearly 5-6 points, right, that you have to understand here. Okay, what all those are? First, Sonar Cloud. You understand that Sonar Cloud, right? What is that? It is a tool or application which is used to analyze the code. That's it, right? Very good. Now, what is the next point? Bug. So let me go here this. Okay. Sonar Cloud is a cloud-based code analysis tool. Okay. Sonar Cloud is a cloud-based analysis tool designed to detect the code quality. Right? Designed to do the code quality. Okay. In different languages. It will ensure that code would be maintained and should be reliable and security of the code. So same thing, buddy, as we know that we are not a developer, we don't know the security of the code, we don't know anything about the code. So what we'll do it, we'll just try to run our application on that Sonar Cloud. Okay. For that, we have to follow some steps that we'll be getting in the Monday session. We'll do it. Different? Yes, another any language, HTML, C#, Python, Perl, React.js, any language. Whatever language your code is, it will analyze that. It supports multiple all the different 7 languages that you have usually. So that mainly the 7 different languages, right? What all? Java, C#, Python, Perl, Ruby, React.js, multiple are there. Okay, these all will be able to understand. All the language it supports, it's all the different languages. Sonar, so either Sonarqube or Sonar Cloud. Only two. Basically, see, developer guys will be already doing the testing. Their job is for the development only. They'll test it and give it to you. But for our sake, we also should be in the right side. So we'll do the Sonar Cloud. Okay, what if? We'll see on that Monday also, right? But what if you are getting error? You are running the report, right? Okay, and this report will come like this. I shown you know where that Sonar Cloud. Here, right? Okay, this is a report, right? Right now, nothing is there because we don't have anything. That's why. What if the count is becoming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or bug count is coming up here? This filter. This. Okay. Coverage, duplicate size. These all. Let's see. You are going to increase that. You are getting bug 1. Will you able to handle that? What bug it is? No pipeline. Here there is no related to the pipeline, buddy. Pipeline. We are not touching the pipeline also. Understand, there's nothing related to pipeline here. Why we are doing it? First, understand the meaning. Why? What is the use of Sonar Cloud? Basically, whenever you are getting the code, right? Our job is to create a build pipeline, right? So what is happening? Yesterday we give the SDLC process, right? In the SDLC, you got a code. What code? Integrated code of front-end, back-end DevOps, database. You got the code, right? That code you got it, right? That code you have to deploy it. You are trying to build a pipeline, release a pipeline, artifact and release the pipeline. You are doing it, right? Before that only, if there is any issue, the build pipeline will get fail. It's a waste of time. So that actually will run it. Guys, simple. You know that antivirus, right? You are running the antivirus. I know everyone is running the antivirus, okay? But I'm pretty sure it's a waste of time. Tell me, if you get a virus also, will you stop it to enter that? You analyze it, right? You run it, it automatically go to your system. But just for sake, okay, I'm running it to become, oh, I'm doing that anti-scanning. Okay. Right now, same thing the Sonar Cloud also. Sonar Cloud will just give you you analyze the result, right? Result the code. They'll give the, okay, how many code smell is there? How many vulnerabilities are there? How many bugs are there? They'll tell you, but you'll not do anything. What you'll do? You'll take a screenshot of that. You'll send it to developer. Hey, this is the code. Please work on that. That will do. Simple, no? Okay. So you have a code with you. You run the analyze the report with the Sonar Cloud, right? So now you'll come to know how many vulnerabilities, how many bug and all is there. So what is vulnerability? What is bug? That we have to understand in the Sonar Cloud. Okay. You might be asked in the interview also. Okay. Come to that here. So what is the first? Your definition is clear, right? Sonar Cloud definition is clear, no? Right? Line by line, everything. Okay. Good. So let me come to the bug. Let me, for another thing is called as a bug there. Easy the stop deployment. Tomorrow class will not be there. I cannot see the function app and the integration in my function app. Right, huh? Sure. Okay, dear. Hi, have a look, please. Okay, can we discuss? Okay, so first thing is we have a Sonarqube definition. We understand it. Okay, next is a bug. Bug. Okay, bug actually. What is a bug? Guys, understand. If something is not working as per the expectation, that is called as a bug. Client expectation, not my and your. Okay, right? So let's see that. Sai, hold on. Okay, let me complete it out first. So let's see, I'm talking about some bottle or anything. Let's see, I'm talking about the marker. Marker. For what purpose this marker is? To write it. Okay. If I'm opening it, I'm writing it. Okay. It's not writing. The ink is not there. That is a different story. But new only. Ink is also there. I'm not able to write it. That means there is a bug in this. Actually, bug in the software, but here is a defect actually. Okay, this is a defective piece. Okay, right? No, this is a defective piece, right? So the buddy, the defect, bug, these all are the same term. Bug, defect, and all. Mainly QA guys will be very top in the bug. Okay, because their job is that find the bug only. Okay, so bug is nothing. It's simple that if application is not working according to the customer requirement, that is called as a bug, issue, or defect. Clear? Clear now? If any doubt? It is related to? What is that? Oh, okay. See, no, that is if you're talking the Azure terms, that is the part. Okay, but I'm talking about that like all that SDLC process. In that, it is a bug. You can say the bug. You can say that any issues, not anything. You can say that. Okay. So bug is something that is not working as per the expectation. So when you run the Sonar Cloud application, there also will have a bug application. Okay. So they'll just this is a AI buddy, AI, artificial intelligence. They'll not give the 100% correct. Okay, just how they'll come to know. Okay, it's just a AI. They'll try to understand it. Okay. Next is vulnerability. Vulnerability is once. I gave the example between me and Javi, right? The fight happened. Okay. So there is some drawback. Okay. And some other guys can make the use of it. Okay. So vulnerability is nothing. The piece of code where any intruder can attack. Intruder is nothing. It's a like virus attacker. The guys who is from outside, they wanted to come and attack our code and they wanted to spy on the code. Okay. They might make some changes. They might tip the code. They get the code. Okay. These all are called as a vulnerability. So is the vulnerability is clear? Definitely they'll ask the interview question here. What is vulnerability? What is the difference between vulnerability and bug? Okay. Vulnerability, difference between the vulnerability and bug. Next one is code fixes, right? Come down. Sai, and who is this? Any another code is that a stop deployment. Who is this first guy? Shavant. A code error will automatically stop. It will get the build failure. Okay. But this is, we are doing it before the build only. Okay. The next question is GitHub. When I'm trying to connect to the Git bash, like Git UI, like remote can share my screen and show you. I understand. Is it something related to Git UI? That we got it? We are using it in that issue, right? That has already been uploaded to the Azure portal, buddy. Okay. If you want, you can share the screenshot to our team. You gave the solution, right? Which one? To give the solution to this guy? Okay, what is this? What is the big deal in that? Same thing, 5 times will not be telling it, right? Okay, so please understand, Sai. Yesterday, I think you are in the Telegram group. You are there, Sai. I think you are already there in the Telegram group. No, so you put the suggestion over there. No, I'm telling that you gave the suggestion to this or not. Similar type of another guy or same guy? Another guy, but issues you give the solution. Then they can go through, right? See, Sai, please try to go to the Telegram group. The suggestion is over there. Try to find out. If you are not able to go, they can post in the group. Okay, someone will help you. Okay, Susma, this is for you. It is there. It is no. I'll show you. It is there. It is working. Yesterday only. Evening also we did it. It is working fine. Okay, pay also we are getting it. I'll show you that. Susma, no. What is that? Function app, right? Function app doesn't will not work on the free trial. You can create the function app, but you'll not be able to add what is that function on top of it. I've already shared the document to you. She has a pay-as-you-go. Okay, Susma, you have the pay-as-you-go, then you have to share with me that screenshot. I got it. Okay. So even I have a pay-as-you-go, I can show you. I'll stop it here and I'll show you. Okay, guys, Sonarqube will stop it here. Okay, we'll do on the Monday session. We'll do 2-3 points that we'll discuss it. Let's resolve our issue first. Okay, because function app C has a pay-as-you-go. Let's see what is the issue going on. Okay, now we'll stop it here only. We'll go to that her account and we'll see that. Okay, and Sonarqube, you all also please request you go and try to create a public account if you're getting it out. Monday we'll see that. Tomorrow we don't have a class. You know, right? Tomorrow we don't have a class. Saturday, Sunday, anyway, holiday. Monday will be online. So you guys will be getting the link on the Google Classroom. Please don't get confused and don't ask anyone like, no, I'm not getting it. Okay. You all are in the Google Classroom? Offline? You are in the Google Classroom? Okay, no? So please get a link over there in the Google Classroom. Okay. Right. So you'll get a Monday. Now what I already told you, right? So we would be going a bit slow only in the online because we'll start the Sonarqube. Docker will be starting it. Okay. If you're not understanding, make a note. Let me know. Monday will clear it out. Okay. Okay.